Good morning. I'm making the bed right now. It is 7:30 in the morning and I low-key had a rough time sleeping, as in like my night sweats were awful. But here's today's plan. The city. But the fun stuff is I'm going to Hever Castle and I want to go to Hampton Court Palace as well. So maybe I'll be doing that too. I should probably check the website and see if I have to pay online or if I can pay for it up front. But yeah, this is my outfit today. It's just my brown sweater, some good old ripped pants, and I'm gonna have a little bow in the back of my head. I feel a little better. My anxiety is still pretty high, so I'm just gonna take it one thing at a time and hope for the best, you know? I don't want to stress myself out too much.
So here's what's happening now. I fucked up and I pressed the button for the door to open at Hever, but it didn't open, and so it just kept on moving with me on the train. So I'm at Cowden right now. And Uber wasn't working. Oh, it's a little bird. Anyway, just gonna be waiting for the next train, which I really hope is soon. Yeah, because internet's not working for me, so I can't access Uber, so therefore I can't get a ride. Yeah, love that. So I'll let you know what happens. I did it. It's just me. I'm just going on a little walk in Hever. I talked to so many people to the point where I want to say Heva, but it's cute. This is cute. This is like a cute little walk that I'm doing right now. It's about a 25-minute walk from the station to the castle. So we're doing that. I'm loving these. Looks like a carrot. Okay. There's a whole ass cottage. Whole ass cottage. Okay. This is gorgeous. I don't know, you can't see through the trees that well, but for me I can. It's very pretty. Okay. You don't want to see this though. You want to see the castle. So do I. I'm gonna listen to some music and hope for the best. English drivers definitely don't slow down when you're on the road. Trust me, if there was a sidewalk, I'd walk on it. But they're just like zooming past. I'm literally on the road. I promise you guys, I'm not doing it on purpose. There's no pavement. Oh God. It's raining. It's raining. It is raining, and I still need to walk like another 10 minutes. There's still no sidewalk. I'm still on the road. It's raining harder. I don't have a hood. Oh yeah. This is gonna be the thumbnail. This is cute though. Alright. See you soon. Do you think I got an umbrella in time? The answer is no. Oh my God, my makeup. But there's the castle. And there's some more gardens. Quite a catch. Wow. It's pretty intense. What's that? Hold on a second. Look at that. That's dope. Oh, that's old. Hubba hubba. Sorry. Where does that go? We have the infamous beheading axe. That tiny little thing. Oh goodness. And the hand chopper. Torture and execution. And we have, wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is really small. Jesus. Can't go up there. So, in case you missed it, it is raining very hard and I suffered a lot. I was dripping wet when I got to a shop, and luckily they were selling umbrellas. The amount of people that I ran into, like, or who saw me and went, "Oh dear, I'm sorry, my love," and I'm like scrunching my hair to get the water out. But I'm not letting that stop me. I got makeup running, but it's okay. This is very, very pretty. I'm a little miserable because of the rain and it's not gonna be fun going all the way back, but I'm still very glad. Whoa. I am officially walking back. Been talking to too many British people because now my body wants to respond in British. Lots of cars. Lots of cars. And I was at the castle for about 2 hours maybe. It was beautiful. I'll talk about it more when I get home. I don't care what anyone says. I'm getting McDonald's because I had a rough day. Oh, another car. Sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna get McDonald's because I have been walking for so long. I have to walk for another 30 minutes to the station and then smooth sailing from there. I'm just gonna enjoy the walk and hope that I'm not under the weather tomorrow. I'm back. This is gonna be my outro.
because I'm not going back out. I'm not doing nothing else. First off, I forgot that Europe sizes are different. It's fine though. I walked approximately 3, maybe 4 miles. I walked since 9 o'clock this morning. Actually, no, I walked since like 8 o'clock. It is 5. That's a long time walking. And a third of that was going uphill. Maybe even half of it. It was pouring rain, as you can see. And I was miserable. I came in and I was dripping wet. My clothes were soaked. I looked like I walked out of the shower with my clothes on. And approximately 12 people went, "Oh dear." And I'm just like I was scrunching up my hair like this, and they like laughed, and I was so embarrassed. I wanted to cry. This chicken nugget is the best thing I've had because I haven't eaten since this morning when I had a vegan raspberry croissant for breakfast. Went to Sainsbury's. Also, UK McDonald's, can you start wearing gloves when you're working with food? It's a little gross seeing you guys handle my food without gloves. It was kind of nasty. I'll let it slide because I'm starving, but put on some gloves, please. But yeah, and walking back from Hever Castle. Okay, wait. Hever Castle, Anne's home was beautiful. It was gorgeous. And now I know this is originally supposed to be a witchy account, right? And so you're probably thinking, oh my God, Mags, did you like see anything? Did you like feel anything? No, nothing spirit-wise, but I felt so like cozy and homey. Like it was such a nice feeling there. And there was an arts and crafts store, not store, it was the whole market that was happening there. And I got this painted magnet and this like fiddler necklace. I'll like show it maybe tomorrow or something, but yeah. I'm gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna watch Pride and Prejudice. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the videos of the castle and me being absolutely miserable, being soaking wet. And Mother, it did not help when you said, "I told you so." Goodbye.